We'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this side, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on block. You just click on block here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to numbers not in Phonebook, clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here numbers not in Phonebook. Enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.